Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Monday.com CRM integration for lead to project handoffs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in monday.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, navigate to the top right corner and click on the login button. Enter your credentials and log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on the Get Started option to create one. Once logged in, click on the Integrate button on your workspace dashboard. You will be directed to the Integrations Center. In the search bar, type CRM to find relevant applications. Look for the CRM integration that suits your needs and click on it. On the Integration Details page, read through the features. Click on the Add to Board button to begin the integration process. Follow the prompts to connect your CRM to Monday.com. Choose the board where you want to implement the CRM integration. Configure the settings to match your workflow requirements. Make sure to allow necessary permissions for the integration to function properly. Once set up, click on Done to finalize the integration. You can now start using the CRM integration for lead to project handoffs on your board. Return to your board to review the changes and new functionalities. Test the integration by creating a new lead and tracking its progress to a project. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your workflow. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and integrated the CRM with Monday.com for seamless lead to project handoffs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.